R.M. Palmer is a candy manufacturer founded by Richard Palmer Sr. in 1948. They are located in Reading, Pennsylvania.
We wanted to find out why making candy is so fun. So we asked some of the people that work at Palmer why their job is so great. R.M. Palmer's president, Mark, said he loves his job because taking an idea and turning it into a molded piece of chocolate with our design team, and then working with our engineers and manufacturing team to manufacture the new idea in mass production is fun. It really is making candy fun every day.
We asked one of the line techs what they loved about their career. A line tech is responsible for tempering the chocolate, depositing the chocolate, cooling the chocolate, creating hollow chocolate by spinning the chocolate, and demolding the chocolate. Taking chocolate out of the molds, decorating, adding eyes, bows, packing into cartons for store displays. When asked why they loved their career, they responded, "I love that I keep making kids happy with holiday candy. I also love to learn new things and make new items to make candy fun for everyone." Another line tech said the best part of their job is the molding process. "I get enjoyment watching the candy form. I love doing what I do, and it's a great time making candy."
R.M. Palmer is a sweet place to work. Their employees love the company and they love their careers. Not only do they get to make candy, but they get to have fun while doing it. And they get to help bring smiles to kids' faces across the country.